You can connect Claude directly to your Google Drive and just reference any document in your conversations. Today, I'll show you how to set it up and how to actually use it. It takes about 2 minutes. Let's go. To connect Google Drive, click the plus button at the bottom left of the chat box. You'll see a list of integrations. Click Google Drive, or if not visible, click on Manage Connectors. Then find and click Google Drive and click Connect. A Google sign-in window will pop up. Log in with your account and click Continue to grant access. That's it. Google Drive is now connected. If you ever want to manage or disconnect it, just go to Settings, then Connectors, and you'll find it there. Now, let's bring in a document. Click the plus button again and select Add from Google Drive. A couple of things worth knowing. It only works with Google Docs right now, not Sheets or Slides. And Claude reads text only, so it won't see images or comments inside the doc. You'll see your recently accessed documents listed here. You can either search by name or paste the Google Doc URL directly if you know it. I'm going to click this Q3 marketing strategy. The document is now attached to this conversation. Claude is going to read the live version straight from your drive, not a copy, not a snapshot. So if you update the doc later, Claude will always have the latest version. Now, I just asked Claude about it like I'm talking to a colleague who's read the whole thing. I'll type, summarize the key goals and budget breakdown from this document. And Claude reads through the whole document and pulls out exactly what I asked for. The campaign goals, the KPIs, the budget by channel. No copy pasting, no scrolling through the doc myself, it's all right here. Now I can keep going with a follow-up. Based on this strategy, what are the top 3 risks I should flag before the CMO review? And Claude reasons through the document and gives me a risk analysis, flagging things like budget concentration, timeline dependencies, and assumptions that could fall apart. That's the kind of prep work that used to take 20 minutes. I got it in seconds from the actual document without leaving this chat. And that's the full workflow. Click the plus button, connect Google Drive, attach any Google Doc to your conversation, and ask Claude questions about it in plain English. This works on all Claude plans, including free. Try it out and let me know in the comments what document you're going to test it with first. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.